One outspoken US economist is predicting the biggest market crash in our lifetime.
You might think you've been through some tough times in the market before, but what's coming up could really be nasty. Your savings, your future, everything could be at risk. You've got to be smart, or you might find yourself in a huge mess. You could lose your house, or watch your savings shrink as the prices go up and your hard-earned money is worth less every single day. You need to keep what you have safe and secure and make smart moves like the rich folks do. The sad truth, however, is that a great number of Americans are ill-informed and rarely make it out financially unharmed. It doesn't have to be this way. You don't have to go through such suffering. I'm here to tell you there's another way, a better way, a plan that keeps your money safe, even helps you grow when things get a little crazy. My name is Ted Thomas. I've been involved in investing in tax-defaulted real estate for decades, where I teach my students to buy at discounts of 60%, 70%, and 80%. This is my specialty. Turning tough times into opportunities is what I'm all about. I've been doing this for over 3 decades. Welcome back. Many people have come to know this channel as the Wealth Without Risk destination, where we help you discover and take advantage of one of the best real estate income opportunities most people don't even know exist, particularly when times are tough. In today's video, we'll help you change all that worry into action. Don't wait until it's too late. Now it's time to learn this, so let's get into it. In my opinion, it's possible to have predictable, certain, and secure investments with reasonably high interest earnings, even during a recession. But first, let's find out how dangerous it is to speculate with your money, or even worse, allow others to speculate with it. The Federal Reserve Bank recently published a survey on consumer financing. This authoritative report looked at the financial health of the stock market investors. Over 58% of Americans own stock. If that market crashes, that crash could decimate the whole economy because thousands of stock market investors are losing their money. On top of that, a recent report from Stephen Burns estimated that 90% of stock traders lose money. This is money stock traders probably invested without doing their homework. What does that mean? That means they're probably buying investments they haven't researched. What if those investments go down? There's a harsh reality that's going to take place. That can result from greed and lack of preparation. But there's good news. There's a way to navigate this uncertainty, a path less traveled but proven to be effective. I'm talking about investing in tax lien certificates and tax deeds. For over 3 decades, I've helped people turn crises into opportunity with this investment. I wasn't always wealthy. I learned the hard way. I learned about financial risk, and that experience taught me to avoid risk. Prior to learning that lesson, I ended up in bankruptcy, which took me more than a decade to rise and start all over again by discovering government-mandated certificates and tax-defaulted real estate auctions saved the day for me. Most people are surprised to learn that government certificates pay fixed interest rates, which can be outrageous: 60%, 18%, up to 24% interest. Here's something you can do for yourself that most investors really need. In approximately half of the 3,000 counties in the United States, the local counties auction tax lien certificates. These government-mandated certificates have outrageously high interest rates, and investors make money in good times and bad. Imagine for a moment earning 12%, 16%, 18%, even 24% interest. It doesn't matter if the stock market crashes, your check will be coming from the local government. Imagine all this when the banks are only paying less than 3 or 4% interest on passbook savings accounts. You could be earning 18% in Florida, 24% in Iowa in a safe haven investment. These certificates, tax delinquent properties, are not just investing, you're also helping your neighbors simultaneously and securing a part of real estate that is less volatile and more predictable, even in recessions and turbulent markets. Don't let the fear of the market dictate your financial future. I'm here to help you through these turbulent times and come out on top with the money and security that you deserve. I've lived through multiple financial crises since 1986. That's what has driven me to teach others this predictable, certain, and secure tax lien certificate business and to introduce people to the little known but highly lucrative tax defaulted property auctions where properties are sold for 10 cents and 20 cents on the dollar with no mortgage. The reason you're likely watching this video is because you're searching for solutions and strategies for a safe haven. I can assure you, you're in the right place. If you're feeling the pressure of the market and you want a reliable guide, click the link in the description below for my exclusive insightful report on secure investments in real estate. In my next video, I'm going to discuss more about the stock market, its direct impact on housing, and how to prepare, not just avoid, but actually turn the whole bad situation into a great opportunity. Just check the next video on the right side of the screen. I'm Ted Thomas.